Virgin Media full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Virgin Media is a leading broadband and television service provider in the UK, offering a range of high-speed internet packages, TV bundles, and mobile services. Known for its ultra-fast broadband options, Virgin Media is popular among users who need a reliable, high-speed connection for gaming, streaming, and working from home. One of the standout features of Virgin Media is its broadband speed. With options ranging from 54 Mbps to 1000 Mbps, Virgin Media is ideal for users who require faster speeds, whether for a large household, online gaming, or streaming in 4K. Their gigabit broadband offering, delivering speeds up to 1000 Mbps, makes it one of the fastest broadband providers available. Virgin Media also provides an unlimited data option with no usage caps, which is great for heavy internet users. Additionally, customers receive a free Virgin Media hub that delivers strong Wi-Fi coverage and improved connection stability across the home. Virgin Media is also known for its bundled services. You can combine broadband with TV and mobile plans, often at a discounted rate, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for households. The TV packages offer a wide range of channels, including premium options like Sky Sports and Netflix, which can be added for an extra fee. Virgin Media's customer support is highly rated, with 24/7 assistance and an online portal to manage your account easily. However, Virgin Media does have a few weaknesses. While its speeds are impressive, the service is not available in all areas, especially in more rural locations. The prices can also be higher compared to other providers, and after the initial contract period, customers may see price increases, which can be frustrating. Another downside is that Virgin Media's customer service experience, while generally positive, can be hit or miss depending on the issue. In conclusion, Virgin Media is an excellent option for those looking for high-speed broadband, especially if you're based in an area where it's available. Its fast speeds, reliable service, and flexible bundles make it a great choice for households that require heavy internet use. While it's slightly more expensive, the performance and value it offers make it a strong contender in the UK broadband market.